Yeah, you don't know. Right now, Young Rich the Dawn. Just a wake up, you see me? But for roll up, you already know. What's good, world? What's good, World Star? What's good, YouTube, Facebook? You already know what it is. Nigga chilling, just waking up right now. What time is it? Let me see. It's like 12:10. You know what I mean? We chilling. Me and my nigga ass all natural. Say what's good.
This goddamn computer keeps freezing, man. I need fuck. What's good? What's good? What's poppin'? What's really good, man? You know, on Facebook all the time. We Facebook kings. No, y'all motherfuckers say we ain't got nothing better to do. Shit, I really don't.
You know what I mean? We got Facebook, so you can't be talking shit on a nigga. You feel me? You feel like, you know what I mean? We're not gonna see it. We there, we got people on there that be like, you know what I mean? Tell us the news. So we know what's good in the world. When we're not in Kingston, we already know, you know what I mean? We get updates, we see what's popping, you know what I mean? So every day I know what's up. I don't got to be there, but, you know what I mean? I ain't there right now because I'm doing what I'm doing right here, you already know. But, you know, I still know what's good over there. I still know what's good in the NY. I still know what's good in the West Side. You know what I mean? Everywhere I know what's good from. I got my peeps, I already know. But we just chilling right now, rolling up a little something. That's what we do every morning, you know what I mean? Just roll up a little something, you know what I mean? Got some food on the stove. But this day I go and chill. Listen me, I say. Yeah, so we are getting to our natural for the day.
Right now, just trying to motherfucking light up. Trying to get this motherfucking computer to stop freezing so I can see what's good for my views. So these motherfuckers to view my shit. YouTube Shakan38.
Shakan38, you hear that? SACAN 38, no space.
Hey, that I just put up a this Floyd Mayweather flick on it. I ain't no dude who's recording, yo.
Who is Floyd Mayweather? Fuck out of here.
I ain't no dude who's recording. I was just going off the top, no disrespect to Floyd, but if I do get 2 years, I come see you. You probably be 36 at the time, but you know what I mean? You probably decline because you won't believe me.
It's all good. We put up money. We put up 50 mil. Fuck it. I know he would do it for 50 mil. You feel me?
So I'm saying, but for real though, man, I'm trying to get into this boxing shit though, man, for real, because this rap shit might not work out because it's all full up with faggots, and you know, God knows, Lord knows, my niggas know I ain't no faggot, so I guess I can't be no rapper.
Nah.
So I'm saying, because all the rappers is faggots now, so I got to go into something that's a man fucking shit. Go to boxing, get some money doing boxing, so I might just end up in boxing. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Niggas know how I do it, man. But I still write rhymes, still make music every motherfucking day.
Believe that.
It's just how the motherfucking system is set up right now. The kid like me can't get in the system unless my shirts look like this. So I'm saying, or my pants is extra fitted, extra tight. So I'm saying, the kid know, I knows I ain't gonna do that shit, man.
You know what I'm talking about.
So that's just what it is, dude. So I'm saying, that's what it is.
Shit. Yeah. We just chilling still, you know what I mean? About to spark up, you know what I mean, a little bit, show y'all what's good, show y'all how we do, you see me, I say, my thing. Yeah, man, you don't know, shout out to all of my nigga them, all of my people them, you know, BT the block, you feel me? The bridge, all of the nigga them on the block, you know what I mean? I ain't really gonna call no names, but you already know what it does, you see me? Uncle Mox, me see you with the mixtape, it's alright. When you're on your mixtape, you drop me off for the mixtape, it's alright. My mixtape there still, you see me, I say, a mad thing, so, you know what I mean? We'll see what's good, you hear me? But you don't know the thing still a long time, you know? You see me, them can't stop, you know? You see me, I say, just go and do your thing, and, you know what I mean? Make the money, and, you know what I mean? Stay up on the block, and you already know what it does.
Hey, take my shirt out, you fucking...
Yeah, but you don't know. Apart from that, we just chilling right now, both touch the road. You know what I mean? In a little bit, after I finish sparking up this L, take care of some biz, you already know. I'm a businessman, you feel me? You gotta get that money, it's all about money with me, baby, you already know. If it ain't about money, it ain't about nothing, you know what I mean? But yeah, you already know, man, next day I still, you see me, I chill. So I go on, cause this paper take longer than now, man. I don't know. Distracted. You see me? You know, so I really want to smoke. You know what I mean?
You know, we roll up something real quick, you know what I mean? It ain't no big head or nothing like this, but this is like a 0.6, 0.7 of that exotic, almost the dub, the gram, you know what I mean? Like a dime and a half. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I need to know what it is, dude.
So what's good? What's the title for the day? What's the you know what I mean? What's good in the day? We ain't. I don't really see. There ain't nothing with me though.
Yeah, ain't really nothing popping off.
Cause we just getting up, so I ain't really see nothing popping.
Shit ain't motherfucking rehearsed.
Yeah, we gotta go on World Star first and see what's up for them. You know what I mean? If we don't like what we see, then
what's popping is trying to get my shit on World Star.
Yeah,
that's what's popping.
Niggas ain't putting that shit up. What's good though, World Star?
YouTube ain't motherfucking doing the kid right. I got motherfucking good motherfucking quality videos. You know what I mean? With insights and niggas talking shit, and I'm only getting like 40-something views, and motherfuckers doing all sorts of dumb shit, got millions of views.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
You know what I mean? I'm about to say fuck YouTube real quick, dog. I'm gonna give y'all a couple more months, then I'm gonna push over to World Star, make World Star be the kid of that World Star shit. You know what I'm saying?
Shit. World Star better play our shit
Jordan
though.
Towers, what up, man?
Yeah,
Hop on that round, man. Y'all will be the first to motherfucking promote the next legend of motherfucking hip-hop. You get me when I was nobody. You can have me on a motherfucking World Star shit when I was nobody. You know what I mean? Me and Young Rich.
Yeah, I already know.
By next year, when we blow up, y'all can say, yo, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Y'all motherfucking birth us into the motherfucking popularity of the fucking online shit, letting motherfuckers get famous and shit because of World Star. Because YouTube ain't motherfucking cutting it, dog.
Shit, for real,
YouTube ain't cutting that shit, dog.
And believe that, y'all already know. Because, you know what I mean, if niggas don't fuck with us right now, but when we, you know what I mean, when we reach on that level and we get out there, niggas won't start fuck with us, trust me, believe they gonna pay, you feel me? So, you know what I mean, you better start fucking with a nigga right now when you see a nigga trying to, you know what I mean, come up, you hear me? So, after that, that's it, you feel me? I ain't taking no friends no more. After that, it's just straight fans and straight money, you feel me? So, it is what it is.
For real, man. Jordan, don't let me get at you too, man. I don't know who the motherfucker.
World Star, don't let us get at you, you feel me?
I'm talking straight to motherfucking Jordan, man. I see you put these other niggas shit up there and all that shit. I'm gonna send my submissions to you, God. I'm gonna send my shit to you, dog. And you better get my shit, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send real niggas videos. That's on Sakan 38 YouTube, that shit. I'm gonna send the one that I was secretly being motherfucking taped. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're saying I was beat Floyd Mayweather. Y'all need to pump that shit. Maybe I can get a fucking, you know what I mean, jump start into that boxing shit. Y'all niggas know how I do it. You know what I'm saying? Jordan, I'm hollering at you, dog. Hollering at you, dog.
Yo, don't let them find your fucking address. You hear me? Don't let us know where you live. You see me? I said, you don't want that. You feel me? But it's on some music tip though, because I fuck with Jordan Toes. I fuck with World Star. That's my favorite website. You can say that on Facebook. You know what I mean? So. That's what it is, you feel me? But, you know what I mean? Niggas trying to get out there, you know what I mean? All that real niggas, you feel me? Doing real shit. A lot of fuck niggas out there doing fuck shit, flaw shit. You know what I mean? When we here in the struggle doing real nigga shit trying to come up, you feel me? So you gotta fuck with a nigga. You feel me? That's what it is, though.
Yeah, so y'all need to know what it is, man. I got that Twitter Household Natural. Got that Facebook Household Natural. Got the motherfucking MySpace. I don't remember that shit, though. You know what I'm saying? Got the motherfucking YouTube Sakan 38, you know what I'm saying? Got the mixtape out, something fresh, you know what I'm saying? 19 tracks, incredible. I'm not just saying that just because that's what you're supposed to say. It's really incredible, you know what I'm saying? That's just what it is. Y'all niggas know how I do it, though. So I'm saying, we can come back with that next blog. This nigga say he could smoke a motherfucking pound in 12 hours. Nah, he said he smoked the motherfucking pound in 12 hours.
Yo, real, I did that shit. Fuck out of here. He just wasn't there and he ain't did it. He ain't done it yet. You know what I mean? But it's all good.
I'm just saying, it's my nigga, it's Young Rich, but I'm just saying, come on, man. 12 hours, a pound. Come on, man. I'm like, a pound. They say Bob Marley smoke a pound in a week or a few days. This nigga say he's smoking 12 hours. Come on, it's my nigga and shit, but I'm a real nigga. So I'm saying you could be my mom,
check this.
my brother, whoever said that shit ain't that. Come on, man.
Check this, people. Check this. I tell this nigga we smoke an ounce country. Check this. How many ounces in a pound? 16. And I smoke an ounce country. You feel me? How long it take to smoke an ounce country? Less than 5 minutes. You load that shit up 16 times, that's a pound. I don't know what the fuck this nigga talking about. That's how I smoke. I smoke on that chalice, you feel me? I say. But He ain't seen it yet, but I'm a videotape it. I'm gonna record all of that shit and put that shit up. You already know what it does. Get 1 million views off of that bitch. You know what I mean? Because people gonna believe me, people gonna believe him. So we just gonna put it out there and see who's right. I would just put the film up, the tape and everything, the footage up, and I would just do it. Because I ain't really with the talking. I'm the nigga that about the actions, you feel me? I say something, I'm about that, you know what I mean? Or I done it, you feel me? But it is what it is, though.
Yeah, dog, we smoke. I'm not saying smoke, everybody smoke, but come on. One person, a pound in 12 hours. Let's break that down, B. See 16 ounces in a pound, 12 hours, that means more than an ounce an hour. That means, come on, every 5 minutes, come on, are you serious, B? Let's do the mathematics here.
You do the math.
But, yeah, we
ain't got that much time, but, you know what I mean? We save it for the next blog, though. You know what I mean? That's all good. We signing out. Young Rich the Don, you already know what it does. Kingston City, Jamaica, MIA, your 305.
What it do, man? It's Hard Soul Natural. Mixtape song coming soon. It's already done. I'm just waiting on the photos and all that shit. Something fresh. 19 tracks. I need to know what it is.
Holla. Yeah!